the moon shows up in the company of terrestrial objects you are familiar with. Buildings, mountains, trees. And then the moon is hanging out with them. And so your brain is saying, while your brain is trying to figure this out, your brain starts thinking the moon is huge, huger than at any other time in the sky. And by the way, you said the moon is yellow. You know why it's yellow when it's low on the horizon? For the same reason the sun is yellow on the horizon. Okay. The sun isn't actually yellow. It's yellow on the horizon because the atmosphere is affecting the color. And if you have a polluted sky, it'll be deeper and deeper, deeper from yellow into amber and maybe even red. Point is, this is a moon on horizon illusion. And people say, I saw such a big moon last night. I'm saying, no, you didn't. You only thought it was big. Last point about the moon on the horizon, okay? What's throwing off your depth cues is the full moon mixed in with other things that are familiar to you.
Okay.
If you have the full moon rising over a horizon for which you have no depth cues, the effect is greatly diminished, and in fact, it's hardly there at all. For example, the moon rising at sea. So that effect is greatly diminished. And you want to know how to get rid of the effect entirely? Here's what you do. There's the large moon on the horizon, next to the buildings and things. Turn around, okay, bend over, and look at the moon upside down through your legs. Don't pull down your drawers when you're doing this, because then you'll be mooning the moon. But if you do this, then the buildings on the horizon and the trees are upside down. And your brain says, I don't know what that is. I don't know what upside down, I don't know what that is. Oh, so now I can put the moon where it belongs, at infinity, and the moon becomes its regular size.